Let me show you how to create a passkey for your Google account. This works the exact same on iPhone, Android, or a computer. Now, first we just need to open up a web browser like Safari or Google Chrome. It doesn't really matter. And now from google.com, we'll be able to see at the very top right is your profile. You can just tap on your profile to get into your Google account and manage your Google account. From here, you can see that I'm specifically on myaccount.google.com. And now from here, I can manage all of my security, my passwords, my information from here, and I can go in and manage those passkeys that have already been created, or I can create new ones just by going to the passkeys section here. Now you'll be able to see it does ask me for my Face ID just to verify that I own this account here. And now after I've done that, it will show me my old passkeys on here that I could remove if I wanted to no longer have them. Or if I just wanted to replace it, I could tap create a new passkey. And it says create a passkey to start signing in with your fingerprint, face, or screen lock. And just hit create a passkey. Now on your iPhone, you'll be able to see it just uses your Face ID. And it says in this case, I already have a passkey for this device. But keep in mind, you can always hit use another device and you can scan a QR code or use the security key on another device, an iPad, an Android phone, a computer, etc., so that you can easily and quickly add those passkeys to log into your Google account.